Alright, so on 17, it's only asking you to find the measurement of this side here. And since we know this angle measure, we're going to make that our reference angle. Right, so if that's our reference angle, this side over here is opposite, down here is adjacent, and this one is hypotenuse. So since we know this side, we're looking for this side, and we have a measurement of our reference angle, we're going to use adjacent and hypotenuse to set up a trig function, so we can write an equation to solve for that side. So since we have adjacent and hypotenuse, we're going to use cosine. Right, so cosine of our angle measure equals adjacent, which is 13, over hypotenuse, which is x. So now you just have to solve that equation for 13, so multiply both sides by x to get it out of the denominator of your fraction. Then you have x cosine 52 equals 13. Divide by your cosine 52. And then you're just going to plug that into your calculator to get your value for x. Alright, now 21 is asking you to solve the triangle, so it wants you to find all of your missing parts. So we have to find side C, side A, and angle A. Right, so to find the angle, you're going to do 90 minus 24, and that will give you your measurement for angle A. Alright, so angle A is 66 degrees, so now we need to solve for one of our missing sides. We have 24 degrees is one angle, so I'm going to use that as my reference angle, and I'm going to find side A first. So if that's my reference angle, I have opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So then, since I have opposite, looking for adjacent, I'm going to use tangent. So tangent of 24 equals our opposite, which is 3.7, over adjacent. And so then, just like in number 17, you're going to multiply both sides by a, then divide by tangent 24. Plug that in the calculator. That gives you your side A, and then you can use Pythagorean theorem, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to find your last missing side.